The character Faregame is quite possibly one of the more unique demolition derbies. And, well, yes, I understand that all the demolition derbies are unique and different in their own ways, but, Faregame, the taxi, just, stands out in particular to me, Yeah, because, well, a taxi, you see taxis pretty much every day, or at least depending where you live. And, well, he looks to be based on a 1979, was it? Ford Crown Victoria, which, was used as a common, or at least was, a common, a taxi. So, yeah, that's a very, very clever move by Pixar there, in my opinion. And, let's have a look at him. He's got a yellow, he's coloured yellow, a nice smiling, expression, little greeny eyes. And look at that. Crash only. Number 42 he is. But wow, look at that rear left wheel. Wow. Ouch. I bet that hurt if that was, I bet that hurts. Ooh, look at that rear end. Ouch. Looks like all bent up and scratched and crash only. Oof. That does not look great. Same thing with that wheel too. Ooh. I do not like the look of that.